English Idioms Unraveled. Understanding like a rash. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, like a rash. This is a colorful expression used in the English language, and understanding it can really enrich your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this unique idiom. The phrase, like a rash, is an idiom used to describe something or someone that is everywhere or very common, often to the point of being unavoidable or inescapable. It's a metaphorical expression comparing the prevalence of something to the way a rash spreads on the skin. Typically, it implies a negative or annoying presence. Interestingly, the phrase, like a rash, doesn't have a well-documented origin, but it's rooted in the visual imagery of a rash, something that spreads quickly and is hard to ignore. In everyday usage, it can be applied to a wide range of scenarios, from someone appearing frequently in the media to a trend that becomes ubiquitous. It's important to note the context in which it's used, as it often carries a tone of mild irritation or disapproval. Let's look at some examples to better understand how, like a rash, is used in conversation. 1. Ever since he became famous, he's been on every talk show like a rash. Here, it means the person is appearing everywhere. 2. Mobile phone stores are like a rash in the city center. This suggests there are too many of them, almost to a bothersome degree. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like, all over the place, or popping up everywhere, can be used interchangeably with, like a rash, in many contexts. However, remember that, like a rash, often has a slightly negative connotation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, like a rash. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video, and happy learning!